Facebook, we're going to take this along right here at the bid. All right, we're in. We're in at 199.63. Market is blasting off. We're at a point here where it should go right over 200. But if it doesn't, stop loss is going to be below 99. And target's going to be, I like it, at least 240, 50 area. Here we go. All right, we'll pop in here. See if we can get the sucker over 200. You know what? We're going to come out of this right here. We're out. Yeah, I just got out of this thing because this thing should have gone already. And it didn't. So we're going to take, what is that, 20 cents? But it should have popped there harder. I'm thinking with the market shooting. Oh, and there it is. Look at that thing drop now. You know, it should have popped harder than that. Facebook, look at this thing. I played this one really wrong. I should have waited. And look at that thing. It blasted off just like I thought it would, but it didn't go right away and I got impatient. NVDA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. All right, let's see what we can do here. We just want to pull back. This thing is super strong here, so we just want to get a quick pullback. Target's going to be around 218.50 area, and stop loss will be over 220. Here it comes. Just looking for a pullback. Market is screaming though, so I should have been a little more patient here. But I see this thing. This thing's pretty stretched out here, so I think it needs a little pullback here before it continues. All right, we're going to come out of this thing right here at the bid. All right, we're out. It should have dropped already. It didn't, so it's going to go higher. We'll take it later. We took, what is that, a 25-cent loss on it. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we are in. We're in at 340.08. It's up for today, but it's looking weak this morning because, you know, it opened, it just dropped. We had a pullback from the lows here. But we're going to see if we can take this thing down to 39 and stop loss will be over 41, 341 and target 339. Let's take a look at this thing up close. TSLA, all right, here we go. See if we can get the sucker below 339. TSLA, all right, it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. Let's try to get this thing down below 339. Here it comes. All right, let's take this. We're out. Nice. Nice. We got a little over a point. About a point and 20 cents. And look at that thing drop still. Oh, man. I should have waited. But the market is screaming. If we look at the SPY here, this thing has been on fire since the start. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right, we are in. Second trade on it. We took it early and we took a little over a point off of it. I don't think it's done dropping. I think it's just squeezing a little bit here and it'll come right back down. So target on this is going to be around 340, 20, 30 area. And stop loss will be over 342. TSLA went right to our stop. A little bit over, but it came right back. TSLA, it's a real nail biter here. It's heading to our stop and dropping, heading to our stop and dropping. The market is continuously climbing, so we need a pullback in the market. That's what I'm hoping on, that the market will pull back a little bit and it'll take Tesla down with it. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, here it comes. It's having a hard time there because of the market. TSLA, let's take a look at this thing up close. Market is taking a little breather here, so should help this go down. But if it don't drop soon, I'm just going to come out of it because it's starting to give me a headache. I was losing big on this one, didn't come out, but now I'm winning on it. So you start to think a little differently when you start losing. You know what, we're going to take this right here if we can at the bid. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that? Close to about 55 cents. And watch, now it's going to drop. I'm just looking at the market. The market just keeps screaming higher. And NVDA, I'm going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We got 100. Looks like we only got 100 shares. All right, we'll stick with the 100. It's our second trade on it. We took it earlier and we only took a small amount from it, but it climbed, so it's a good thing we got out of it. We were short. We only took like 20 cents, but now it looks like it's starting to tip a little bit. It's climbed quite a bit today, and we think it tips down to at least 219, and that's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be over 220. We might pick up some more, but I don't know. I don't think so. Depends on what the market does. If this thing climbs and the market's dropping, we'll pick up some more. But if the market continues to climb, we'll just come out of it. Only 100 shares. Let's take a look at this thing up close. This thing is up for the morning big. So it needs a good sized pullback, and I think it's gonna happen now before it continues again, if it's gonna continue. Alright, it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Like I said, if the market continues to drop, we'll pick up some more. NVDA, we're gonna pick up another 100 right here at the ask if we can get in. Market's starting to look a little weak here, so we think if we can get another 100, we'll write it down to, yep, we're in. We got 200 shares now. We're going to ride this down to 219 area, and stop loss will be over 221, or around 221. Market is starting to climb here, so we might come out of this a little earlier just because of that. Because if the market starts to climb hard again, this guy will climb. NVDA, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Oh, not out of everything. Let's just come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We'll full out. We took only about, what is that, 20 cents off of that trade, 25 cents. I'm just looking at this SPY here. Look at the SPY here. It's consolidating. It's ready for another blast off. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else that looks good. Plus the market's screaming high today, not my market. I like to short, and it's hard to short this way. So we're up 281. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 4 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on TSLA and our loser on NVDA. Thanks for watching.